Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to give you a quick tutorial on how you can remove text from a PDF document. So right now I am landed in a I love PDF platform. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So you can never directly remove any text from PDF because there is no options to edit anything that place, but you can do it with a couple of options we have. So I'm going to give you another option that you just need to click on here, PDF to Word, or just select your PDF file over that place, then select it and it will convert it to your Word file. So just click to the convert Word and it will take a couple of minutes to convert it. So we just need to be patient over here, then just download the PDF and then you just need to be open it. Once it open, then now you are allowed to edit whole things over here. So let's try to edit something, like let's add any word or anything. You can remove this one, you can add text over that place, you have to do whatever, you can select anything. So now here we are going to make it PDF also. This is the thing, you can easily do it. There is another option, so we have just now introduced this I love PDF options. You just need to click over here, then you just need to click this one and select your PDF, and then eventually they will give you the options to edit your thing here without any hesitation. But the drawback is that you just need to be find any premium plan. So here you can see we already did, and we can easily edit the PDF here. So this is two options we have. So I hope you love this video and you already understand how you can edit your PDF file on this platform. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.